If your YouTube video is showing partially blocked due to copyright, it means that people in some regions cannot watch it. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this problem and make your video fully available. So first of all, click on it. Then click Review the problem. Then click here. When you get a copyright claim on YouTube, don't worry, you have options. Let me quickly explain the 3 main actions you can take to fix it. First, dispute. If you believe the copyright claim is wrong, for example, you have permission, the content is fair use, or it's your own creation, you can file a dispute with YouTube to challenge the claim. Second, trim out segment. If the copyright claim is only on a specific part of your video, YouTube lets you trim that section so the rest of your video stays up without issues. Number 3, erase song. If the copyright claim is because of music, you can use YouTube's tool to remove just the claimed song while keeping the rest of your video and audio. If any one of these options appears, you just need to click on it. For example, I can see the dispute option, so I will click on that. Now to complete step 1, you need to check the box that says, "My dispute isn't based on any of these reasons," and then click on Next. Second step, reason for dispute. In this step, YouTube asks you to choose the reason why you are disputing the claim. You have 4 main options. Number 1, original content. This means the part of the video that is claimed is actually your own creation, video, audio, or both, and you own all the rights to it. Number 2, license. You have official permission or a license agreement from the copyright owner to use this content in your video. Number 3, fair use or fair dealing. You have changed or transformed the content in a way that makes it fall under fair use, like commentary, review, education, parody, etc. This means your video is legally protected. Number 4, public domain. The content is no longer copyrighted. For example, very old works or works released into public domain, so anyone can use it freely without permission, and then click on Next. Dispute. Second step. What would you like to do? In this step, YouTube gives you 2 choices for how you want to proceed with the copyright issue. Number 1, continue with the dispute. This is the normal process. You submit your dispute and YouTube notifies the copyright claimant, the person or company who made the claim. After that, the claimant has 30 days to review your dispute. If the claimant does not respond within those 30 days, the claim will automatically be released, meaning it will be removed from your video. Number 2, escalate to appeal. This option allows you to skip the initial dispute step and go straight to an appeal. The appeal process is faster because the claimant only has 7 days to respond. However, this comes with higher risk. If your appeal is rejected, you may receive a copyright strike on your channel. Escalate to appeal. Faster but riskier. 7 days possible strike. This option is riskier, but faster. It should only be used if you are 100% sure your claim is valid and legal. Continue with the dispute. Slower but safer, 30 days. No strike risk. This option is safer because you're following the regular dispute process without big risks. And then click on Next. Fourth step. You need to check the box that says, "The content claimed in my video is in the public domain," or is not protected by copyright for another reason. And then click on Next. Now we are on the last step 5. Here we need to complete the dispute form. First, in the box for rationale, I will type the sound used in my short video is from YouTube Shorts music. Next, we have to check all 3 boxes. After that, in the signature section, you have to write your YouTube channel name. For example, my channel name is AI Publish, so I will type that here. Once everything is filled, just click on Submit. Now you can see the message, "Dispute submitted." This means your dispute has been successfully sent to the content owner. From this point, the content owner has 30 days to review your case and decide what to do. Once they make a decision, YouTube will send you an email with the result. So now, all you have to do is wait for their response. That's it, your copyright dispute process is complete. If you get a response by email within a few days, just open the same video again. You will now see the appeal option. I have already made a detailed video on the appeal process. You can watch it, the link is in the description. Once you complete the appeal process, Your partially blocked problem will be 100% solved, and after that, you can make your video public again. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more tech tips.